You are going to love the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, backup camera. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.